Alright everyone, I'm back. I'm going to take you a walk like I promised. We're going to go down here and take you down to the water. Show you the marina, show you a lot of the houseboats, stuff like that. We have beautiful hills up there. I just get mesmerized. You know, and like us, you always got to look back. You always got to look back because there's always a beautiful picture at the back too. You can see the sun out on the lake. I just wish the sun was shining on us. Here is H9. We almost got this one, but I'm glad we got the bigger spot. There's like enough room for like 5 cars up there at our spot, which is really nice. You can have company show up during the day for a daytime visit, however you want to do it. It's really a nice campsite. I really like that one. So now we're going to come over here and go down to the water. Oh, they're having a bonfire over there. I wondered what all the crackling sounds was. So we're going to come walking right on over. Head down here to the lake. Show you there's some good fishing spots over here. Which this trip I didn't get to do any fishing, but one of these times I come up here I'm going to take and do some bass fishing. I got some new lures I need to test out. Look at this area up here. This is so beautiful. And the sky just so nice with all the clouds the way they are. Got the water out, the sun out on the water, excuse me. You got these steep hills here, but this is a really nice path. Brings you right on down to the water's edge. So here this time you can actually, excuse me, this time here at Don Pedro Lake, Fleming Meadows Campground where we're at, you can actually get right on down here to the water's edge and do some really good fishing. There's some nice little points over here you can walk around. They got a docking area over here in the distance. It's really nice over here. I bet you catch a lot of largemouth bass. They have some salmon in here, a couple of different kinds. Some smallmouth bass, some trout, catfish. They have all kinds of stuff in this lake. And there's a marina over there in the distance. A lot of houseboats over there that are docked. I just seen a fish jump out there. Jump out in the water. So yeah, it's going to be some really good fishing time. Oh, right there on the hill, some geese. See if we can zoom in on them a little. Oh, there they go. And they're taking off. And there they go. Nice marina. I zoomed in a little bit there anyway. Phone don't zoom in too far. I wish it did, but I should have brought my other cameras. That's what I should have done. I should have brought my other camera equipment. So we're going to head on back up to the campsite and get up here and sit down and relax for a while and get ready to do some hamburgers and some potatoes, different things like that, and enjoy my time with the grandkids, because that's always fun. Sorry, it's a little bumpy or jumpy, I guess you would say. Ah, you can see the sun up there. Look at that. That is so awesome. Let's take a look back. Look at that. That's really nice. Really nice. I always enjoy that, looking back, because it always has some really nice angles you can get, some beautiful sights, some nice scenery from a distance. Be able to look where you just was. And it wasn't even a really long walk either. Here's some really nice fire pits. This is H21. Head back up here to the motorhome. See the grandkids playing. Alright, we're going to end it here. And I'll start another video later when I start cooking hamburgers and potatoes and stuff. So thank you for watching from Traveling Grandpa.